Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be talking about how to detox and whiten your underarms. As guys, summers are just around the corner. You might want to use this trick as summers are going to be all grossy, sweaty, and you might get some foul smelling underarms. So this is the trick which is going to help in detoxing your skin properly and helps in whiten them as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad, and we are going to get into the video, guys. So guys, first of all, you need to squeeze half a lemon into a bowl, and lemon has skin lightening and brightening properties. And here I'm adding 4 aspirin into the solution, and aspirin helps in killing the bacteria which is usually the cause of that foul odor from the underarms, and it also helps in exfoliating the skin. And guys, here I'm taking half a tablespoon of baking soda, and baking soda helps in neutralizing the acidic effect of lemon, and it also helps in exfoliating your skin well. And then I'm going to give it a nice stir, and after that I'm going to take a brush and apply this solution over the entire skin, and I'm going to cover the skin well. And this is a little runny solution, just be a little careful about that. After that guys, I am going to wrap my underarm using this plastic wrap, because if I leave the solution open in the air, it is going to evaporate just in 2 to 3 minutes and it won't do its work properly. So I want the moisture intact. In order to do that, I am wrapping it all around my underarm, giving it 7 to 8 good wraps. And I'm here I'm taking help of my sister to do it, and here I'm done. And I am going to leave this off for 20 minutes here so that solution can work properly. And after that, I'm going to take a pair of scissors and very carefully I'm going to cut this entire thing out. And here I wanted to show you the difference, guys, as you can see for yourself. So guys, this is it for this video, and if you have any queries related to this, let me know in the comments down below. And also, if you aren't the part of family yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. Also make sure to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. And also follow me on my social media, link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below. And show me some love, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Concern we all face. And guys, as summers are around the corner, you might want to use this trick, and I have been using it for a very long time now.